Hey guys, what's up? I'm trying to fold up my closets and fold up my clothes and fold up my closets. Fold up my clothes here. Do I look crazy? No, I don't look crazy. I look cute, right? Do I look cute? Right? I have my man here. My man is behind the camera. Do you want to say hi to him? You want to say hi? Hey man, are you ready? Mana. From heaven. So, yo guys, today is Thursday and I'm trying to fix up my closet because I have my clothes here. They are littered everywhere, so I decided to, you know what, get myself busy. I'm so tired, I'm sleepy, but we have to do this because after this week, next week, I don't want to be bothered about this like legit. I don't want to. So yeah, we're trying to do it today and let's get into it. You will know what you did to yourself when you appear on my YouTube channel. I promise you. Are you going to stand up or should I post it on my YouTube?
Post her now, market her, you don't know.
She don't market me. Okay.
Don't think they never see you market to see.
This is what I have going on here. Might not be the prettiest, but this is what I'm working with. I'm trying to do like the whole color coordination thing, but I think I'm not getting it. I think this is supposed to be back here. I'm not even sure, but these two are going to my other wardrobe. These two, because they are too long, so it's like folding up. But the other, my other closet or wardrobe has higher rod, so it gives it enough room. So I'm going to take that because right now I already have my perfumes at the other side, like right on this floor. So I'm going to take these ones there by tomorrow when I get more hangers. So when I do that, I'm going to transfer my perfumes here because that's been what I've been thinking of doing, because having it there is too far. So yeah, I'm going to get more hangers. I have just a few things to add. These ones are going to the other room as well. These ones, they are way too long. These are my dresses, jumpsuits, dresses, and this is my bed sheet. It's still going to be here. I've not figured out I need a whole drawer or something space for my bed sheet. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. This is my robe. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this robe. I think it's going to go to the other room as well. I have other ones folded, but because I neatly ironed this one, I'm just like saving it up. I don't want to mess it up, but yeah, you gotta go, baby. You gotta go. So yeah, that is it for today. So I have Indomie, egg, and suya. Plantain. I don't have milk in my custard. I'm not a fan of milk. Okay, in my custard I like it with just sugar, and that's it. So let me have my breakfast or brunch, anyone you want to call it. Yeah. Hey guys, so what's up? How you guys doing? Today is Thursday and I'm about to head into the market, but I was just like, let me start this vlog. To be honest, at this point I don't know what I'm vlogging. I don't know if this is the start of a new vlog or is a continuation. You guys take it as you see it. It's just been all over the place for me, because I mean I'm still trying to post the whole Abuja house hunting vlog. But yeah, let me turn off this car right now. Okay, so there's a false scarcity in Lagos. Lagos is just crazy. Like, it's just annoying me because I'm coming from a city whereby things happen here, but it's not like immediately. Like, it's just after 1 week of Lagos madness, we start to catch up. But now it's like Lagos is the head of department of every madness. And guys, I am stressed out. I just came out. But yeah, what's that sound? Okay, this week has been a little slow because I've been trying to do some things. Oh my gosh, I have a glasses here. I didn't even know. Ciao. I'm hoping that if I see 4, I'll buy 4. And I also wanted to top up 4 in the car. I don't know why I've not been doing that since I keep coming out. Like, I just don't know why it skips my mind. But today is the moment of truth. If I see, I'll buy. If I don't see, then next time. I look cute, which is very strange because I've not been putting in effort to look cute. And guys, okay, you guys, let's just enjoy this vlog. I'm hoping by Saturday is the Lagos fair, makeup fair, and I want to go for it. Okay, I'll see you all later. All right, I'll see you all later. I have my market bag. Yes, is that bad? It is that serious for me. I carry my market bag everywhere because ciao, I'm not buying bag nowhere. You see it? Yeah, this is not the main bag. There's another bag inside, but this is the one that is giving aesthetics. So we gotta do it the way we wanna do it. All right, guys, I'll see you all later.
Oh, hello, Papa. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we iterate. Thought I could run away. Your smile made me wanna stay. Come with me, we can make a way. Give me time, let me demonstrate. Want you over, want you closer. Let me love you like I'm supposed to. Any struggle, make it over. Just remember what I told you. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. We can do something new, let me innovate. Took time making you the minute maid. Take it slow like we iterate.
Back home. I've been back for like over an hour, 2 hours now here. But yeah, I just had dinner and I was watching I Am Yechi. Yeah, I'm watching her right now. But yeah, guys, I'm still here to furnish my sitting room. Like, I've literally not been able to, I've not done anything, so to say. The only thing I feel like I've done is just my kitchen, which is because I had a lot of the things. Okay, I had a lot of the things. Guys, like, imagine if I went to the market to buy half of the things that I bought. I'll be crying. Legit, I'll be crying. What? Just normal, ordinary plastic plates, just container to put your food inside. I'm hearing money. Like, it doesn't even make sense to me. But anyways, my hand is tired. But anyways, the only thing I've been able to do in this house, especially in the sitting room, is TV and the curtains. That's all. The furniture, the chairs, the table, all of them, I am yet to figure it out. And for my room, only curtains and my bed and mattress, that is all. Well, technically, like my room, I don't really need so much for my room, right? But then my filming room, I don't know. I feel like I have a table, right? I don't need a table, but at the same time, I feel like to spice it up, I want to get one. But then again, that might not happen because that's money. It's money. So I'm not going to even do that. I'm just going to try and fix up my filming room just so that I can have like a nice background to film. Then I'll take my time to do the remaining things because your girl many. I need to recover from the ones I've spent so far. But anyways, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. I need to go shower and edit my video. I'm tired, but I look cute. I look cute actually. I'm breaking out. I feel like it's because of my soup. So my soap finished. I use extract soap. By the way, if you've never used extract soap, please do me a favor, don't use that thing. It is very, very addictive, and it gets so used to your skin very fast that you can never move from it. Like, I've tried everything possible to leave that soap. I've been using that soap for close to 9 years now, or 8 years. Let me just say 8 years. I've been unable to leave that soap. It doesn't even make sense. Every time I try, I get this reaction on my skin. You see the side? This is half of it. Like, literally my entire body starts to break out, and I don't know what to do. Like, I legit do not know how to leave that soap. If there's any way you feel like you can leave a soap, please tell me, because I need to move on from that soap right now. I started using Eva soap because where I went to buy my own was not available, so I just grabbed Eva soap just so I can have something I'm using. I like the smell of it, I like the fragrance, but then my skin needs extract soap back and I don't know what to do. So for brunch today we are having burger. Tastes amazing. Yummy. Got home now and I wanted to show you guys what I got because I don't want to forget, because if I leave it now I might forget. So let me just show you guys what I got from the makeup fair. Guys, first thing first, this right here, I've not had tiger nut in a very long time, but this right here I had two at once. That's how good it is. And this is for Most Fruity Zobo on Instagram. So yeah, let's move on to the makeup things. Like, I'm so excited for it. Although I did not get everything I wanted to get, I wanted to get Merak Cosmetics, Laifa's brand. She did not come. I don't understand why Laifa did not come. I was so heartbroken. Like, I'll not even lie, I was really heartbroken because I think that product was one of the major things that took me to trade fair, but sadly she didn't come. I didn't even know that she was not going to show up. But anyways, first thing first, I have the Blossom glazed cream blush. I really wanted blush, like cream blush. Like I've been wanting to get one for the longest time, so I just knew that I had to get it. And to be honest, I don't want to buy anything in sets because I'm just over the whole set thing, because it's just my face, okay? I don't do makeup on other people, so I don't get the reason why I should get more than one. But anyways, I was influenced. I was really influenced, and I'm not mad because these are shades that I see myself using. Okay, I feel like I'm going to do like makeup. I don't know if it's going to be on this channel. Yeah, definitely I'm going to show you guys like how I use all of these things. So this is it. This comes in 1 to 12 shades, and I can also do like contour from this because I wanted to get like a contour powder and the cream contour, but then with this right here I had to scrap that out. Like that went out of my my list, okay? Because this right here is serving as my contour, serving as my blush, and also a little bit, excuse me, a little bit of highlighter. Yeah, so that's all I have in this box, and it's quite affordable. Like, to be honest, Blossom makeup, they are quite affordable. That's where I bought most of my things, because I mean, yes, I want to look good, but it has to be affordable as well. Then I got this. Like, I was just looking for lash glue everywhere, like everywhere, because I really need this like so badly. The next thing I have here is their lip stain. I got 2. Okay, I was going to get 4, but I'm happy I did not get it because I wanted to get orange. And guys, look, they have orange in here, like the blush set. And the next thing I have here is Blossom makeup powder. This shade is Cocoa. It's called Cocoa. So this is what it looks like. Then I got mascara from Blossom as well. This is 2-in-1. So it has a tiny one that comes with like a smaller wand, and it has like the bigger one. So the smaller one should be for like your lower lash, and the bigger one for your upper lash. So this is what it looks like. Can you guys see that? I hope you guys can see this thing because I'm not seeing what I'm recording. Then this right here is the bigger one. Can you see that? So yeah, guys, I've not had, like, I cannot remember the last time I got a mascara. Like, it's been close to 2 years. Okay, I've just been adding water in the one that I have. Yes, I said it, because I cannot be spending money on makeup. I don't know why. I lost interest in buying makeup for a very long time now. But yeah, so moving on, I have the blush palette. This is the powder blush. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. I like the packaging. Like, the packaging is giving, like, it's hard to look at this and not want to buy it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, they have a mirror. Oh, ooh. Okay, so this is what the blush looks like, and then they have this. Can you see how cute this packaging is? Like, I really love it. And with this right here, you can use this as your eyeshadow, you can use it as your contour, you can use it for blush. So it's like all in one. And on days I don't want to cream contour, I can just go in with this. Like, I absolutely love it, and I love the packaging. The packaging is really for me. Then they gifted me this Blossom lavender oil repair serum. This right here, they said it moisturizes the skin, lightens the skin, heals burns and wounds, reduces scars, anti-aging, acne treatment, anti-wrinkle, hair growth, eliminates dandruff, calms sensitive skin and nerves. Literally everything in one. I'm going to try, like, I'm actually very excited to try it, and we'll see how it works. The next thing, I have this pencil. This is also a gift. Okay, this is a blue pencil, also from Blossom. I'm also very excited to try it out. Then the next thing I have right here is jewelries. Like, I'm so excited about this thing, but at the same time, like, am I sure the money I spent on this thing is worth it? But we'll see, time will tell. So first thing first, I have this one. I think I showed you guys when I was getting this. So this is what it looks like. I bought the black and the white because I literally do not have bangles. Okay, I don't have any. It's safe to say I don't have any. And I bought this earring. This earring, is it teardrop or something? It's been trending for a minute right now, and I was just like, you know what, let me buy it. If you cannot beat them, you join them. Peer pressure got me. Then I got this jewelry, this necklace. I really like this one. Okay, I like the green. You guys know that I like green, right? I really like green. It gives this really cute look, and I'm here for it. And I got this one. This is like a blush pink. Yeah, really love it. I bought two. Whew, what else did I buy? Then the next thing I bought, Maybelline Superstay foundation. Then I got a liner, liquid liner. I wanted to get one from Blossom, but I changed my mind. But I'm regretting it because I swatched it and it's dry. Like, it's not even moving. Like, it's literally not moving. Then I got the So Pro Seal It. I am so excited to try this, and like, I'm literally getting goosebumps. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I've seen this thing all over the place on social media, and guys, I've not had any setting spray for the past 4 years or 5 years. 5 years, yes, 5 years. And I'm a makeup artist. Maybe not a makeup artist, but like, I'm a makeup enthusiast, and I don't have one. Ask me how I've been doing my makeup. I don't know. But once a professional, always a professional, period. That is all I got, and I cannot wait to, you know, launch them and tell you guys what I think about it. And that will be happening this week. Okay, I'm going to try it out, the makeup product, and tell you what I think about this. And yep. All right, see you all later. Bye.
Looking on my back and you were still